Next topic we are going to discuss today, facilities offered by IMF to member countries. Basic credit facility, extended fund facility, compensatory financing facility, buffer stock facility, supplementary financing facility, and next one SAF, structural adjustment facility. Let now discuss one by one in a detailed way. First one, basic credit facility. For each and every country, for development of growth and development, for in order to achieve the growth and development, they need some finance and they can approach the local bank, each and everything. Same like that, here the IMF, they can also provide the loans and advances to the member country in order to solve the disequilibrium in the balance of payments. That is the thing they have given. And how they can provide the financial facilities to the member countries means through by means of SDR. SDR means special drawing rights. It is also known as paper good. And it is also created by IMF in the year. Which one? Special drawing right. It was created by the IMF in the year 1969. All transactions by the fund in the form of loans, and they can also repayment in capital, liquid asset, etc. So basic credit facilities means what? They can provide the loans and advances to the member countries through by means of SDR, and if this SDR, it is also known as paper gold. Clear? And next one, extended fund facility. The IMF, they can also provide additional borrowing facility. That means in order to achieve the growth and development with a very short span of time, if it is underdeveloped country or it is a developing country, they can also provide for the member countries 140% quotas over and above the basic credit facilities. In order to achieve the growth and development within a short span of time, quota means for importing of goods and services, we are making certain important payments, that is, we can call it as it is a quota. They can provide that extended, they can increase, they can provide or they can enlarge the credit facilities, especially for LDSs or UDSs, especially that member countries, they can increase up to 140%. Clear? Compensatory financing facility. In the year 1963, the IMF, they can introduce which one? CFF. What does the term CFF? Compensatory financing facility. For what is the main important purpose they have introduced in 1963 means in order to strengthen the weaken, in order to strengthen the poor disequilibrium in the balance of payment, disequilibrium in the balance of payments as well as balance of trade for the member countries. That is the main important exact meaning of compensatory financing facility. It was introduced by IMF for the development of both LDCs as well as developing country in order to solve the disequilibrium balance of payments. In which year it was introduced? 1963. Next one, buffer stock facility. In order to produce the goods and services in a lump sum quantity and also for import and export each and everything, buffer stock, large amount or in huge amount. It was started in the year 1969. Which one? Buffer stock facility. And the main important purpose of this scheme, primary goods producing countries to finance contributions to buffer stock arrangements. For producing goods and services, each and every producer, each and every country, they need huge amount of finance. For that, they are extending the credit facilities. For this purpose only, the buffer stock facility, it was introduced by IMF in the year 1969, especially for the member countries only. Supplementary financing facility. IMF takes arrangements to provide supplementary financial facilities, especially for the member countries. Supplement, not only for achieving growth and development. And what are the next level? Each and everything they just concentrate, each and every nook and corner for especially for the member countries, especially they comes under the category of LDSs or UDSs or developing country. Clear? Next one, SAF. It is very important thing. Part B carries 2 marks. Separate concept. SAF. Write a short note on SAF. Structural Adjustment Facility. It was established in the year March 1986 to provide additional balance of payments for the poor member countries. Poor member countries, we can call it as it is a LDC means less developed countries or UDC means underdeveloped countries. In December 1987, ESAF, Employment Structural Adjustment Facility, it was also set up. That is the thing, sorry, not as employment, Enhanced Structural Adjustment Facility, especially to solve the disequilibrium in the balance of payments for the member countries. Clear?